Hello. It is another episode. We're going to deal with the piano for beginners. Where do we start? That is the biggest question. Where we start. And I will be dealing with our keys here. So if you can see, we have white notes and black notes. All right? And those white notes, they have names. Like for example, we have our C. This is our C. This is our C sharp. This is our D. This is our D sharp. This is our E. This is our E. This is our F. This is our F sharp. This is our G. This is our G sharp. This is our A. This is our A sharp. This is our B and C. Then it repeats itself again, over and over. All right? Yes. So if you look closely, we begin with this note, our number C. All right? All right? And the question is, how do we form major chords? All right? How do we form? That is the question. Then we have our number C here. We have our C here. To form a major chord, you have to skip 3 notes. What do I mean? The first one, the second one, and the third one. You hold the next one. To form the other note, you skip 2, 1 and 2. You form another note. You form a major chord. That is how it sounds. Right? To form a minor chord, you hold there to our C. You skip 2, 1, 2. You hold a note. You skip 3, 1, 2, 3. You form a note. The C minor, C major, C minor. All right? Hope you are getting me. So, for you to play something in the key of C, we will focus with in our chord progression, our number 1, number 4, and number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll focus with our number 1, number 4, and number 5. And we're going to form the chords in there. So the first chord is a major chord. It's the one that we have formed. The second chord of number 4 is use the same process because it is a major chord. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Form number 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So with those 3 chords, we can play a song. Our number 1, our number 4, and our number 5. I hope you are getting me. So this is what we are going to do. Listen. We're going to play twice. You understand me? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You see? And we are ready to play a song. So to our left hand, we're going to play left hand where we are holding C major chord. To our left here, we're going to hold our number C here. 1, 2, holding F major chord, we are going to hold F, only one note. Where we are forming G major chord, we are going to hold G on the left hand. You getting me? So to play the whole thing, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You understand? With that, you are able to play a song. So in this lesson, thank you for watching, and make sure you continue subscribing for more episodes to get educated. God bless you.